Welcome this video. River rock around upper ground pole. A complete gas to style and functional. When it's come to enhance the appear and functionally of your backyard pool area. Few material often the natural beauty, the blonde and low maintenance of river rock, upper ground pool, river rock landscape can transforming a basic step into the published backyard oasis. We explored the benefit, design idea, install type main interest consider the complex mini tags to upper when use river rock area and upper ground pool. What's close river rock for pool landscape river rock with its smoke rock edge and natural variance in color and size. It's a top choice for outdoor landscape project around and above ground pole. It's often key benefits aesthetic. One of the Promax challenge with upper ground pool is the water runoff and monitoring area. The base river rock of stand unlike much so it's do not rain water or promotes root and growing. This help project protect the pole frame and line over time. Aesthetic river rock bring the natural published look to a backyard. It's come in various harm while and term which can complement an aesthetic role for rustic and modern use. River rock instead elevate the aesthetic appear of your pool area. Low main interest comparing to growing much river rock is easy to main interest. It's do not bring requested water and the displays by window or rain. This make its idea for homeowner how what's a beautiful yard without the work, weakening and patrolling center. When over the quality weak, river rock signification weak growing it's also like that are often attached to wood mud soft river rock are comfortable to walk on bring foot again unlike then also read this rock attacks into the pool. Plan your river rock pool border before bring and landscape project it's to plan here how to perfect to install river rock area of your upper ground pool area how wide your rock border while bring 12 to 24-inch area to enhance its idea of the pool total secured foot again of river rock need use online calendar or a landscape to for help choose the river size and color river rock its type salt and size range for half inch to 2 inch smart size compacts better are not to wake on while long stone make a more decision statement pick a color palette that complement your pool and home consider edge to keep your river rock contain install landscape edge area to border stone and wood edge not only keep rock in place better also create a clean promax look design idea create use river rock area pool river rock landscape do not have to the base here are some create a way to use its area your upper ground pool part away use long river rock to from natural work for the patio or house to the pool area install step stone of a most refined look. Plants, bed, and decoration fence use river rock or to frame the plants bed, pots, plants, or gardening. They soft the hard line